Hello, kids! Welcome to our English class. This is Teacher Jaire, an English teacher from the Honors Tutorial Center. Now, are you ready to learn English? I know you are excited. So now grab your notebook and let's start learning with me. So if you watched the video last time, we tackled about the sentence and the four different kinds of sentences. So now, before we move on to our next topic, let's have the short activity first. So the title of our activity is Sentence or Not. So you're going to decide whether the group of words is a complete sentence or not. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. Living in Texas. What do you think? Is this a sentence or not? Okay, the correct answer is not. Very good. Second one. Karen is going to Disneyland this summer. What do you think is the answer? Is this a sentence or not? Okay, very good. This is a sentence. Number 3. I love strawberries. Is this a sentence or not? Okay, very good. So number 3 is also a complete sentence. Good job. You can still remember our topic last meeting. So again, when we say sentence, we have to remember 3 important things. Number 1, it is a group of words. Second one, it gives a complete thought. And the third one, it starts with a capital letter and it ends with the appropriate ending punctuation marks. Okay, so now let's move on to our next topic. So we are now going to discuss the rule number 2 for the English grammar for grade 6, which is every complete sentence has a subject and a predicate. So another way in order to determine if the sentence gives a complete thought if it has a complete parts, which are the subject and the predicate. So if the sentence doesn't have a subject or a predicate, we cannot call it a sentence. Instead, we can call it such a fragment of the sentence. So when we say fragment, it is just a group of words that looks like a sentence but actually is not a complete sentence because usually it has missing subject or verb or they do not express a complete thought. So another way to identify if the sentence gives a complete thought is that it should have a subject and a predicate. So now, what is the meaning of subject and predicate? So let's start first with the subject. Okay, so when we say subject, it is just simply names the person, place, or thing the sentence is about. Again, the key word here is that when we say subject of a sentence, this is the sentence. What's the sentence about? So it answers the questions who or whom. So for the subject, there are 2 different types. So the first one, we have the complete subject and the second is the simple subject. So when we say complete subject from the word itself, complete, it contains all the words that tell who or what the sentence is about. And when we say simple subject, from the word simple, it is just the one or sometimes 2 words, main noun or pronoun in the subject. For example, our crazy dog howled at the wind. Can you identify the complete subject in this sentence? Okay, so let me underline it. The complete subject in this sentence is our crazy dog. Why? Because again, that is what the sentence all about. Who howled at the wind? Our crazy dog. So therefore, this is our complete subject. How about the simple subject? So another trivia, you can just find the simple subject in the complete subject. So now, where is the simple subject in these 3 words? Is it our, the crazy, or the dog? What is the main noun? What is the main subject? Of course, the correct answer is the dog. Therefore, the dog is our simple subject. Is it clear? Okay, now let's continue. So of course, if we have the subject, we also have this another part that completes the sentence, which is called the predicate. So when we say predicate, it just tells what the subject is or does. Or in short, it answers a question, what is the action done by the subject in the sentence. So just like in the subject, it could also be complete predicate and simple predicate. So when we say complete predicate, from the word itself complete, it contains all the words that tell what the subject is or does. And when we say simple predicate, it is the verb of the sentence. For example, Eric and Marshall raced down the street. So here in this sentence, we are looking for the predicate. Okay, so again, when we say predicate, it tells what the subject is doing. So since the subject is Eric and Marshall, what are they doing in the sentence? They raced down the street. So since raced down the street tells something about what Eric and Marshall is doing, this is our complete predicate. So now, in this complete predicate, let's identify the simple predicate. So again, when we say the simple predicate, it is the main verb and the complete predicate in the sentence. Race down the street. What do you think is the verb there? Of course, the correct answer is race. So race is our simple predicate. Is it clear? Alright, very good. So now, since you already understand our discussion, let's now proceed with another activity entitled Find the Subject. So you're going to underline the complete subject in the sentence and circle the simple subject in each sentence, just like what we did a while ago. Are you ready? Okay, so now let's start. Number 1. My best friend lives in Thailand. Again, we are looking for the complete subject in the sentence. What do you think is the complete subject? Very good. The complete subject is what, to whom is the sentence about, or what is the sentence all about? So this sentence is talking about my best friend. So therefore, this is our complete predicate. So my best friend. Where do you think is the simple subject? Okay, the simple subject is friend. Okay, next, number 2. Her name is Rungtip. Okay, let's identify where is the complete subject. The complete subject is her name. Okay, so her name. So that is our complete subject. And in that 2 words, where do you think is the simple subject? Is it her or name? What is the main noun? Okay, the correct answer is name. Because our main noun, which we're talking about in this kind of sentence, is not her, but is specifically the name of that person. Next, number 3. Rungtip's name means rainbow in Thai. Okay, let's identify the complete subject in the sentence. The correct answer is Rungthip's name. Very good. So again, where is the simple subject in this complete subject? Is it Rungthip's or name? So again, we need to analyze the sentence and we have to identify what is the main topic or what is the main noun in this sentence. So what this sentence all about? Is it Rungtip or is it about the name of Rungtip? The correct answer is, same with number 3, we're talking about the name, which means rainbow in Thai. Do you get it? Okay, very good. So next, number 2. Let's find the predicate. So you're going to underline the complete predicate in each sentence and circle the simple predicate in each sentence. Let's start. Number 1. My school offers many extra clubs and classes. Okay, can you identify where is our complete predicate? Okay, the complete predicate is offers many extra clubs and classes because it tells something about the subject, which is my school. But now, let's identify where is the simple predicate in this complete predicate. What is the main verb? Very good. The correct answer is offers. Number 2. My brother plays chess with the chess club. Again, let's identify where is the complete predicate in the sentence. Very good. The correct answer is plays chess with the chess club. So now, where is the simple predicate, the main verb? Very good. Plays. Last one. Number 3. My friend Sam plays baseball. Where do you think is a complete predicate? Very good. Plays baseball. And where is the simple predicate? Good job. That is, again, just like in number 2, the verb plays. Is it clear? Do you understand the difference between the subject and the predicate? Okay, very good. So again, let's have a quick generalization. So when we say subject, it is who or whom the sentence is about. And when we say predicate, it is what the subject or the action done in the sentence. Is it clear? Okay, and that is our discussion for today. So I hope that you learned something about our second lesson. Again, this is Teacher Jaire of the Honors Tutorial Center. Goodbye and see you on our next video.